Today I'm going to be talking about what you can do to get arrested when the cops pull you over. I would like to note that I have never been arrested. I just watch a lot of live PD and a lot of cop shows at that. First thing you can do to increase your chances of getting arrested is not pulling over when the police put on their lights and sirens. Make it clear they are after you. Bonus points if you speed away from them. That is a sure way to get you arrested. When the officer walks up to your window and you ask why you've been pulled over, definitely do not cooperate with them. Consider telling the officer that you are a traveler and not a citizen of the United States, and that you have a right to travel without a license, and without one you can break several traffic laws. If you do pull over, make sure you get out of the vehicle as soon as you can. Do not wait for the officer to ask you to leave your vehicle. Just go ahead and do it. You might even want to make a run at the cop. Make a run for it. Or a run for it. While you're pulled over, make sure you move around in your car and fidget as much as possible. You definitely want the officer to think you're up to no good. Ignore the officer when they tell you to stop and put your hands on the wheel. Keep doing as you please. Have drugs hidden in your car and tell the officer they can't search your car without probable cause, even if there's a drug dog who's barking at your car. Pull out a weapon on the cops. Maybe even drive away while aiming at the squad car, trying to blow a tire. Or shoot at the cop's window, trying to blind them. Or hit a officer. Drive off during a traffic stop. When the other officer goes back to the car, get back in yours and drive away as fast as possible. More power to you if you can turn this traffic stop into a full-blown highway speed chase. When the cop finally gets you again, do not tell him anything. You tell them that you have weapons in your car. Pretend like it's a game of hide and seek. The cop will like it if they find an unexpected a gun in your glove compartment, especially if it's not yours. If you follow all these steps and you have accomplished your goal of getting arrested for a traffic stop, you now have the right to remain silent. Anything you can and say will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Have a great day!